guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, so today's video is what's new this week. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, so let's jump in. Last week was a disaster. I got one video done because I was supposed to do the holiday lookbook for pants and jeans and sweaters and tops. And I have an outstanding order from Estée, or from, well, I do have an outstanding order from Estée Lauder, but from Ann Taylor and Express. So they finally are shipping them. So we should have that video up this week. I'm also going to do a video on holiday jewelry as well as a video on gift guide. So this one will be how to box set last minute gift ideas. A lot are from Amazon, so still available, still really awesome, but also how to package things maybe in a way you might not have thought about. So there is also in this video a giveaway. I told you that Estée Lauder, I ordered another of the Party Shimmer kits to do a giveaway on November 29th, and I have yet to receive it. It's just somewhere. The last I heard, it was like December 3rd, and it's just somewhere. So, which is really annoying because I also have 2 lipsticks in there for me. I went and I picked up the kit today. So for those of you that don't know, this is the Sparkle Kit. It comes with a cute little gold clutch. It comes with the mascara, which is Sumptuous Extreme, a black eyeliner, which is the best, the lipstick, which is Rebellious Rose, which is phenomenal. Let me show you what that looks like in case for some reason you all don't know. It's a beautiful color. It's a great holiday color because it has a hint of red in it. And then the lip gloss that's in here is Flash Fire, I think it is. Fire, yes. Oh my God, for once I remembered it. And this is a beautiful lip gloss, I would say lip topper, but you can see there's the color there. Very, very pretty. So it includes that, and it includes the lip enhancer, lip plumper, what do they call it? They call it the lip volumizer, which has some peppermint to it. It's awesome. I love this. The thing that's in the Sparkle Kit is the Estee Lauder eyeshadow kit. Oh my gosh, love this. Really, really love this. These colors are so good. They're what I have on my eyes today. So let me just show you that. So very, very pretty, very dramatic, or you can make them not so dramatic. So this is going to be the giveaway today. All you have to do to enter is click the link in the description box. It's that easy, y'all. It's amazing to me how many people do not enter these contests. So just click the link in the description box. You literally just have to give me your name and email address. It's that simple. And just so you're aware, in case you didn't see the last video I did with hairstyles, holiday hairstyles, in there is a giveaway for the new face Break the Ice Mini. This is sold out in a lot of places in this design. It's a really cool little design. So if you've been wanting a microcurrent device, why not give it a shot? And then enter for this one. I picked up 2 new lippies from Laura Lee. Love, love, love her lippies. These are a matte, but they're really non-drying matte. So let me show you. I have this one on today. So this is Show Off. It's a doe foot applicator. It's a gorgeous color. So you can see much darker, beautiful, lovely. So goes on stunningly. I mean, so soft, so lush, love it. And then the other one is Skimpy, a nude, slightly peachy tone to it, so different than the other. I love her Laura Lee Nudie Patootie palette. I love that palette. And I did get one for Christmas. I wasn't supposed to open the box, but my daughter forgot to put on there, and so I opened it up, and I didn't open the palette, but I was like, I'm so excited, and she's like, you have to wait, and I'm like, you're so mean. So I can't show you that until after Christmas. So I also did get some City Beauty products in. Oh yes, because I was out of the City Lips, which is the plumping lip gloss, and I was like, oh my god, please get here. So I picked that up. I picked up another of the Skin Perfecting Daily Veil, as well as the Hydra Mask. They are, you know, by far my favorite, and there will be a giveaway with that this week. There will be multiple giveaways this week, so make sure you tune into every video. You just click that notification bell so that it will notify you when I upload a video. Okay, so I did pick up, you know guys, I use eSalon to color my hair. Occasionally I go to the hair salon to do a toner, but I also have toner in my house in between sessions. But I went to see my hairstylist yesterday to do the extensions. Remember I said layer the extensions in, so we went and layered the extensions, and we just did an all over toner as well. Well, with eSalon I did try their shampoo and conditioner for the first time this week, and I'm obsessed. Really, really good. I got the Revive, I think is what it's called. It's the purple one. Repair, it's called Repair, and really good. So I also switched out toners. So instead of doing the copper toner, which is what I did in the spring and summer, I went to the mahogany copper. So it gives me a darker red with a little bit of copper highlight. So I love it. It matches the extensions really well. Now let's talk about fashion and jewelry. I did pick up a few pieces of jewelry. I got this gorgeous necklace, and this is from Halogen, so the price point on it was awesome. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. It's got these little crystals, and it's just so pretty. So I love it, especially like against a especially against a black sweater. It is rainy and cold today, and I love this one. This one's off of Amazon. It's got a little bit of a balloon sleeve, but not much. And then I just paired it with these are the Kendra Scott earrings that I picked up. Look how gorgeous those are. Love, 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 love. And then I did pick up a bracelet. This is from a company called, let me see, what is it called? Little Words Project. And I love this. This one says Hope, which is so beautiful. And then I got another one. This is a gift for a friend of mine, and this one says Grateful. So I just think they're so pretty and gorgeous, and it's nice to have a little something with some meaning to it. I did pick up a sweatshirt that says Dog Mom. I am a dog mom, and I love it. It's just a gray sweatshirt, great to throw on with a pair of, like, you know, stretchy pants and just chill out, and it's good and it's cute and it's comfy, so I love that. I did pick up some candles. I love these because they're all natural, they're vegan, they're made here in the United States, and they're awesome. So I picked up 2 scents. I think apple cider was one, and then like some type of vanilla cookie or something like that. I don't know, I'll list them here. But really great, and they make such a great gift, and I got those right off of Amazon. So Amazon has some amazing candles, which I will be showing you this week. Face masks, you know I'm all about it. I've actually worn 2 of them. I picked up 5. So here's a picture of me today wearing the Christmas tree one. Love that, so cute. I got this one for Matt. It has snowman. He's totally obsessed with the Mandalorian, which is basically Baby Yoda in my opinion. And then I got one that's so cute. It has puppy dogs on it. I love it. It says I'm a dog mom and I love my dog. I love her. She's off of Etsy. These are great masks. They cover your whole face, and you can put filters in them, and so they're excellent. I did pick up another 2 things of furniture. For those of you that didn't see last week, I picked up this bed here. And great bed. It's just that my nightstands didn't fit, so I'm keeping one of them because they're antique. Well, I'm keeping both, but one of them is antique. I'm going to refinish it and paint it white. And then I got a small white nightstand that came in this week for my husband. And then the bench that was at the end of my bed was pink. It did not go with the new bed. So I bought a half moon shaped one, which I think looks really nice, and I will show you all that put together, but I thought I would show that to you. And then I just had to share this because I haven't shared a men's gift guide. It's just not something that I probably will do, but it's a last minute gift, and now this is an expensive last minute gift, but if you're looking for something and you're like, I just don't know what to get, and it doesn't have to be for a man, it can be for anyone that enjoys a good cocktail. So Keurig came out with a thing called DrinkWorks, and it's literally a Keurig, just a much bigger one, that makes cocktails. Everything from Manhattans to Cosmopolitans to Mai Tais to Herradura, margaritas, and everything is in the pod. The alcohol is in the pod, the lime juice, if you're doing a White Russian, the milk is in there, everything is in the pod. If it is a drink that needs to be carbonated, there's a carbonated canister. If it's just regular water that it needs, then it'll do, and it makes your drink, it tells you what kind of glass. It's so cool. And they have so many different, like, wine spritzers, sangria, beer, you name it, and there you go. So I'm pretty excited because we are getting a pool this spring, so I think it will just go really well. And then so that came in, of course it's in a box, so but so I'll have to show you a picture. And then I wanted to like have it in our enclosed patio, so that just seems like a great transition place. So if you want to go out there and make a cocktail and come back in here, or you want to go to the pool, it's like a perfect transition. And I love this bar cart. It's awesome. It's wood, it's gorgeous, it's round, like kind of a round, but then you can fold down, and then the trays are removable. So I did buy some glassware that is non-breakable, and I will show that when it comes in. And then Brewmate makes flasks, pink camo, green camo, you name it. And so I got my husband a flask. We're not even these big drinkers, but when we do go on vacation, he does bring a flask. You know, not that we're planning on going on vacation anytime soon. So that's what's come in that's not going into a video. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy the videos that are coming up this week. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.